Welcome MW and Will Keller Game Trading Crypto. Welcome new members, welcome retail fam, welcome the one that are just scrolling through their YouTube and seeing this live stream and joining in. It's gonna be a big show today. It's gonna be a lot of education. We're gonna talk a little bit about Bitcoin. We're not gonna talk a lot about financial markets since they're closed. So we're gonna talk about some altcoins. We're gonna talk about what's coming up. The new trading course with 4.0 is going to get released tomorrow. So also something very big, and you know, it's gotta be a big one, guys. Chase trading, how to chase trade. A lot of retailers, they struggle. How is this chase trading even possible? It is possible. I'm gonna show you tomorrow in the trading course with number 4. So we're gonna do some, it's gonna be a little bit of a long stream today also. So be prepared for that one. It's gonna be a little bit of a long stream because why? Because I'm gonna do a little bit of a Q&A. We're gonna do a little bit of interaction with the retail fam, and also I'm gonna choose like I think 5 or max 10 altcoins from the retail fam. So they have been sharing them on Twitter. So you can also put in a chat like now what altcoin you want me to give a look at, and you guys know if I you know, it's so scary sometimes. If I check an altcoin, I get it right like more than 90% of the time. So very excited for the retail fam. I'm gonna choose like I think 5 to 10, depends on the time. So we're gonna talk. It's gonna be very long. It's gonna be a very long stream, guys. So be prepared. It's gonna be a long stream, but you know it's gonna be filled with alpha, real alpha. So filled by alpha. So you should focus. You should listen. And you should push the like and share this vid as much as you can, because it's Saturday. For me over here it's afternoon, so I don't know where you are in the world. So for me it's afternoon. So we're gonna take our time. We're gonna let the music run, and we're gonna let everyone know that we're going live. Boom boom. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go through it very fast, guys. So this is Bob, Danny, this Elmer, Trojan virus. Oh my God, Trojan virus, the cockroaches, Fastlane, Muhammad Ali, Carlo Heinz, Hans Heinz, Medic, CB Rene, Medic, CB Kirk, Ernst, Salsra, Snowy, Crypto, CB Diana, T Blue, Lars, Reckon, CB, Crypto, Louis, John, Noe, Egon, FT, Amos, Alfriano, for Jerry, Janice, Alpiman. Oh my God, Alpiman is in the house. Alpiman is in the house. Alpiman, you know, before I go any further, Alpiman, a lot of sort of like trolling. Alpiman, guys, you don't know Alpiman. Be careful who you're trolling out there. You guys don't know Alpiman. Be very careful by trolling Alpiman. You guys don't know Alpiman. I'm just saying. Fuckox, Crypto Fury, Biggie, you got Christopher, you got Sam, you got Rose, Rosieville, Riff Pop. Rain is falling here in Montpellier. Montpellier. Perfect time for another live. Montpellier is at the border. It's around the border with Spain. What do we got? We got JF, Blaze, we got Efron. You got Stop, Lost, Rapid, Spaceman, Mia, Ants, John Doe, Golu. Golu Sharma, this is not the place to write this. So if the moderators are in the house, moderators, please block this Golu. Don't come ask money over here in this chat, please. This is not the place for that. So we got Zupark, the Raw McCoy, we got Jeff Blaze, what do we got? Louis, voila, we got Farida, we got Roy Gruer, we got Amiros, we got TB, we got Crypto, Sheer, we got Stop Loss, we got Farida, Peter, Escaping Seal, we got Spiritual, Andrea, Kareem. Okay, we've got no moderators, so I'm gonna do it myself. You know, I hate it when these guys come over here with their... let me block this guy very fast. Okay, report. Okay, gone. Okay, so this guy is gone. I hate it when people come in here. Oh my God, I really hate it. I hate it. So okay, guys, be prepared. It's gonna be a big one today. Oh my God, I'm at the wrong one. This is not this one. I need this one, I think. Yes, this is better. Let me go to my Bitcoin chart. Okay, so first of all, guys, what we're seeing over here, this is what we're seeing. You know, you have to focus. You have to listen. You have to focus. You have to listen, and then you have to focus again. And then you have to listen, and then you have to focus again. That's what you gotta listen and then focus and then listen, focus, listen, focus. So we're just over here, this up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I have to tell you, there's really a lot going on. There's really a lot going on in crypto, economic. There's so, you know, it's really a disaster. You're seeing a lot of money flowing into crypto, first of all. I was also seeing that USDC is really minting also a lot of money into crypto. But the thing is, okay, they're minting money in the billions and billions and billions. So just in January, USDC, it was, I don't know how much, 6 billion it was or something like that. So a lot of minting is going on. But where is that money? Where's the money? Where's the money? If I look at my screen over here, and I'm just looking at the 100 biggest altcoins out there, oh my God, it's looking so red. You know, it's really mind-blowing. It's really super red. So where is this money going to? Bitcoin, it's not going to Bitcoin. It's got Bitcoin has been dumping also over here. So where is this money go? It's, you know, crypto, you have to be strong. You have to be strong. You have to have my mindset. You have to be really, you know, I tweeted about this. Do you ever hear any form of fear or doubt or whatever in my voice when I'm talking to you? I don't doubt. I just know. I know who I'm dealing with over here. I know who my enemies are. I don't fear them. I know them. The only thing what I have to do is I have to read them, the timing of them. I need to read the timing, that's all. And anything else, you know, I just don't care. I know what's gonna happen. I know what's going on. And if it's not only on crypto, it's also on the financial markets. You know, I know already like 2-3 days before it's gonna happen, I know what's gonna happen. And you know, I'm no oracle, I have no crystal ball, no, but it's just what I do for a living. That's my thing. My thing is analyzing markets and anticipating what's going to happen tomorrow, the next day after tomorrow, 2 days, 3 days. And based on those analyses, I act. And if you act on something that's going to happen in the future, you're going to make a lot of money. So do I get it wrong? Yes, for sure I get it wrong. Because if there happens some event in the world, anything could happen, that might change the course that I analyzed. But as long as there is no event, let's just say I get it right like 90% of the times. So it's all about probabilities. That's just how trading is. But you know, for the ones that follow me for a while, you know who I am, you know what I do. So Bitcoin for now, we're just romping around. Let me show you guys this one. This one is very surprising to me that it held this level and it's trying to ramp up. By the way, we made a new high on gold, but you know, over here, why? Because this was showing me, oh my God, wait a minute. Why is this thing holding this line? Why are we not coming back into the red box over here? Because this would have created some more bullishness for Bitcoin and also for altcoin, but no. It's gold is going up against Bitcoin. So let me just tell you this for now. If we're gonna break this level, is 28. Be prepared. Some blood is going to happen in not big blood, but you're gonna see more dumps today or tomorrow. So let's just see, because over here, let me put my indicator on, see what's going on. Okay, now it's holding on the 1 hour. Are we below it? Yes. So over here, we broke above it over here. Hold. Over here, it was a sort of this spike up, and then up, see, and now we're heading into this one. So this is how you can make those ranges, by the way, for the range traders. You see this? So these are those ranges. So for now, you have to keep an eye on this one. What's going to happen? What's going to happen? For now, we're coming down, so probably Bitcoin will bounce a bit from here. But if this thing is going to hold, let me put on another alarm. I got a lot of alarms, guys. I got a lot of alarms. You know what? I'm doing the live. I'm not on the charts now. I'm on the charts, but I'm educating, I'm explaining, I'm analyzing with you guys. But for the traders, if you're trading, you need to have this chart. But that will be in trading course 5, 6, or 7. So I'll educate you step by step. Let me go to USDT. Okay, USDT is also sort of trying to ramp up over here. Also, listen guys, keep in mind, this is how I see it. You have to understand me where I'm coming from. This is how I see it. So we have Bitcoin making this, testing those zones again. By the way, Bitcoin is showing weakness against the market. So that's number one. So Bitcoin is looking very weak. Bitcoin should be around 115, 120 based on the correlation with the financial markets, but it didn't. So when it doesn't do that, that's not a bullish sign, because when the markets are topping out and start making those candles down for a retrace, Bitcoin will dump. So that's something to keep an eye on. So Bitcoin is showing weakness, but over here also, we didn't hit the box. Why? What's going on? Why? There is no power. Are you seeing over here? There is no power. There's just no power over here. So why? And then I've got my theory. Do you want to know my theory? I'm sick. My theories are always sick. My theories are always sick. Do you want, guys, do you want my theory? Let me know in the chat if you want my theory. It's a sick theory. It's a very sick theory. If you want to know it, I will tell you. So this is just my theory. Do you want to know? Let me know in the chat if you want to know my theory. So let me go to dominance. Oh, dominance is ramping up over here. I hope that it will get rejected over here. So come on, get rejected. Give those altcoins a little bit of air. The MW short ETF is printing like crazy. It's exploding. Maybe I should show you guys the P&Ls. Maybe I should. But this thing is exploding, my short ETF. I never doubted it, but you know. But first of all, if we're gonna get rejected over here and we're gonna come down, you have to see two ways you can see this. Number one is you can see that altcoins might bounce a bit, might get some upside, but also keep in mind that when we get rejected over here, if we're gonna get rejected over here like this, it also means that Bitcoin will lose power. Because if there is no new money coming in, if gold is not getting flipped into Bitcoin and USDT will also not be flipped into Bitcoin, and this thing makes this turnaround down, it means that Bitcoin could make a dumpy. You know, that dumpy. So did we get in the chat? Does someone want to know my theory? Okay, I'll let you know the theory. This is my theory. Okay, I'm sick. I know I'm sick. So over here, I think that USDT is under attack. Tether is under attack. So, like Europe is just facts. Tether will lose market share in Europe. It's just what it is. Tether doesn't even care about that, to be honest. But so they are losing market share. But at the same time, I don't know if you guys saw the news of Tether. In Africa, they're going to use Bitcoin Lightning or whatever. And well, basically what it means is that in Africa, people are going to be able to use Tether as their currency. And as you guys know, the currencies in Africa are a disaster. So they're really a big disaster. So in Africa, if they would have like USDT as a stable in every country, every African country, just do the math. How many people would flip their money or gold or whatever they have into USDT because it's for them the way to do banking. It's just like they don't, because guys, you have to understand that in Africa, why do you think China and Russia are conquering Africa? They're sending them money, they're helping them, sending them weapons, giving them whatever, especially China, by the way, guys. They are so focused on Africa because Africa got a lot of resources, and Africa, there's a lot of money to be made over there. There's so much that isn't available over there, you know? So Africa is really one big gold mine, and China and Russia are very focused in that direction. France already knew it, but France is getting pushed out here. But you know, China and they are really doing great business. Just imagine when those African people, they will start using Tether as their currency. So this is bullish for Tether. And I think, this is my theory, I think, yeah, I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy, guys. I'm crazy. I know I'm crazy. It's just a theory. I might be wrong. I might be totally wrong. And I think that this caused that. I think that that news caused these candles up. It goes a little bit deep, but it's just what I think. But it's just a theory. I act not based on my theory, I act based on what I see. So that's about that. By the way, let me show you guys the markets, how they closed yesterday. Those ridiculous markets. Let me use this one. Look at this. Up, into the box, and then into the box, and then we did it. We made a lower high. And what did I teach you guys? What did I teach you guys? When you see this, what did I teach all of you that are in this chat? The ones that have been with me on Twitter, watching my live, what did I teach you over and over and over again? Very simple, guys. When you see this thing closing like this on Friday, focus on the shorts. It's that easy. Okay, we got two bearish candles. Bitcoin is holding strong. We're going into the weekend. What to do? We're gonna use that MW Indy and we're gonna short just like MW is teaching us. I've received like 10 DMs today from people. Listen, MW, you have been showing us in your past streams how to enter those shorts based on the Indy, and we have been just doing it. And out of the sudden, we're seeing our portfolios explode. How is this even possible? MW, how is this possible? I don't know. Ask yourself. Thank you, Emilka. No, don't thank me. The credits are all for you. You are the one that pulled the trigger, not me. So congrats. And I'm super happy for you. And donate to charity, please. So this is how we close. So this is looking, listen guys, you guys all know how I think about the markets. My target is over here. So in the most bullish case, my target is over here. Also, they're probably watching this live stream. We're gonna break the 6250 just to make MW sick. We don't care. We just don't care. So this is what's gonna happen. So for now, this is getting rejected. Are we going to get this M, Mr. MB, yes, over here, this is M. So if we're gonna get this M, expect more dumpy the coming days. So that's about the markets. We're not gonna talk about it. So it's not about financial market, but you know, this is very important, guys. It's very important. This is super important. Okay, it's time for the altcoins. So first of all, we're gonna talk about DeXe. We're gonna talk about DeXe. A lot of things are going on Twitter, and let me show you guys another chart. Look at this chart. Don't be shocked, by the way. Look at this chart. Look at this chart. Oh, not this chart. There's another. Where's that chart? I calculated this stop exactly, but you know, I don't know where the chart is. Is it another chart? No, it's this chart. Why is it not showing? Why is it not showing? Was it this one? It was this one, no? Or was it this one? No, it's not this one. Oh, very crazy. But I calculated this stop, by the way. But either way, doesn't matter. So first of all, I want to apologize. I want to apologize to Gain Trading Crip. Really apologize because I did something that I shouldn't do yesterday. But it would either way, it wouldn't change anything. Gain Trading Crip, I exposed them yesterday and they were super mad at me. They were so angry. So my apologies for that one, but it wouldn't have changed anything. So for the ones that are in the live stream with Gain Trading Crip, they are not gonna lose this trade. You know, they are not gonna lose it. They're gonna win this trade. They're gonna make a lot of money. But they unfortunately got a lot of uneducated retailers in their group. When they promoted once their group, they said this group is only for experienced traders. So if you're not experienced, don't chase trade because you have no clue what you're doing. So there was you know, it's mind-blowing. Listen, these guys don't lose. And now comes the second part of this story, and this is one that's very important for me to tell you, is that I know for 1,000,000% sure that the only reason why DeXe is holding and not dumping very big has got to do with Gain Trading Crip and their members. Because there are just too many shorts out here. So when there are too many shorts opened, it's very simple. Market makers don't allow this to dump. It's that simple. They will do whatever it is that they have to do to flush those shorts out. They either liquidate them, they go stop hunt them. They gotta do whatever it is. And when they see that they give up and they get out of their shorts, that's when they will drop this coin. So about this coin, I know for sure. But you know, I'm gonna have, I think tonight or tomorrow morning, I'm having a meeting with the team, and they're gonna change a lot in their group. So this will never ever happen again. And also, they have already removed like 7 members out there, and they're still removing a lot of other members that they catch. What they do is it's really sick. They pay $200 to join them, and then they go share those trades in other big paid groups. And this is what's going on. So when you've got too many people shorting the same coin, market makers will work very hard to wreck you. But you know, I know that Gain Trading Crip will make a lot of money on DeXe because these are professional traders. They know what they're doing. But if you are not, you'll get wrecked. So what happens is they flush out all those other retailers, and the professional traders that know how to chase it, know how to do trading, they will make the money at the end of the road, but the rest will get freaked. So I know it's happened. Tomorrow more, and Gain Trading Crip will, they by the way, close their group now for like, what is it, a week, 2 weeks, they close their group. So they're reorganizing and they're having some things between them. So a lot will change. So I gave them already my advice, and I told them, listen guys, what you should do is you should share like 6, 7, 8 trades a day. That way market makers cannot hunt you down because you've got so many trades running, they can't catch you that way. But if you just do 1 trade, a day or in 2 days, the focus will be on you. Share just a lot of trades. The quality will probably go a little bit down, but on average, what the winning rates will go up. In my opinion, that's what I think. That's what I told them to do. Just share a lot of trades. Don't share one trade, because, and especially when MW is also sharing what you're doing, that it's my apologies. They wanted to block me, by the way. They wanted to block me. So about DeXe. So I was, forget about gain trading crypt. I put this coin on my short ETF. So forget about that. I put this coin on my short ETF. What do you think will happen when I put this coin on my short? What do you think will happen? If about the best traders on the webs is putting a coin on his short ETF, what do you think will happen? What do you think will happen? Yes, exactly. That will happen. So for me, I also tweeted about this. For example, on the 5 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Alpiman. I need my Alpiman now. Alpiman. Where's Alpiman? I need Alpiman. Alpiman, where are you? Alpiman. Alpiman, if you see that they are pushing, because they shouldn't have pushed this, by the way, this is really just market makers trying to flush retailers out. This candle is just either a stop hunt, or this is just a liquidation or whatever. This is nothing this. And then Mr. Alpiman, yes, Mr. Alpiman, because wait, boom, wait for it, boom, 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 boom. Did you see Alpiman? You see Alpiman? Alpiman, come on, did you see it? Look at this. Boom, 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 boom. This is a 5% drop. I'm just saying, Alpiman. I'm just saying, Alpiman. So about DeXe, by the way, guys, let me zoom out a bit. Let me zoom out a bit. Where is this DeXe? Where is DeXe? Whatever, DeXe. First of all, I want to say this. By the way, this is something very important for me to tell you. It's this. Oh, you see this? The 1 hour just closed above the Indy. Did you see how they did that? They pushed it up. You see? Oh my God. You see this move up? You see this tiny move up over here? This one was just, this was market makers. You see? This was what they were doing. They were holding the indicator. Let me put a line so you guys can see it. They didn't want it to close below the Indy. Look, I seen this? Here. You see? Over here, the last 10 minutes, they started fighting, fight to close it above the Indy. They didn't want it to close because they want the momentum to stay in. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this, guys? This is manipulation. This is market makers doing that thing. So they have been pushing over here, push the last 10, 15 minutes just to push it and close it above the Indy. You saw what happened? Over here. Okay, so just keep that in mind for now. This is now the resistance, the short-term resistance over here. Let's see if they can get some momentum to break it above or not. But I will explain you in trading course with tomorrow how you do this. Because let me give you some sneak preview from Chase Trading. Chase Trading, if you filled up over here or you filled up over here, when you see this over here, you take profits. It doesn't mean that your P&L is running in green, no. You take profits from the positions that you took over here. These are the profits that you're taking. So you take out these positions, these two. And then if it closes below it, then you turn around and add them again. But it goes deep. It's got Chase Trading tomorrow. Trading scores vid will go tomorrow. But let me just tell you, this is what happened. What happened? This is what happened. So let's see if it's gonna hold the indicator. If it's not gonna hold the indicator, then yeah, well, then you'll tell me, oh, MW. Because listen, guys, this thing is going down anyway. It's just when. Is it now? Is it going to dump now like this? Or is it going to do like this and then this? Or is it going to do like this, make a low high and then this? This is going to happen. I'm really sick. It's not, I already know what's going to happen. And the market makers already know what's going to happen. Even DeXe knows what's going to happen. We all know what's going to happen. It's going to happen. We know it. But now comes the thing. When is it going to happen? And what you need to do as a trader is you need to make sure how to navigate this. So first of all, rule number one is, what is rule number one in leverage trading? I want it in the chat, please. I want it in the chat because I know you guys know. What is rule number one? Trading course number one. What is rule number one? Rule number one in leverage trading. If you're leverage trading, what's rule number one? I want to know what rule number one is. So I want to know what is rule number one in leverage trading? What is it? Nobody. Okay. 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 I need to know what rule number one is. Top dog, let me know. What is rule number one in leverage trading? Green never turns in red. No, that's not. It's a very important rule, but it's not rule number one. No. Control emotion. No. DCA. No. What's rule number one in? Listen, guys, you should know this. Don't control emotion. No. Guys, are you for real? Alpiman, tell me, what's rule number one in leverage trading? Don't overtrade. No. Muhammad Ali is very close. In other words, let me answer you. Let me answer. No, guys. Oh my God, you got it all wrong. Did you even watch Trading Course Vid number one? It's. Yes, Top Dog. See Top Dog. Shout out to Top Dog. Shout out to Top Dog. That's why he's the moderator. Rule number one in leverage trading is you just never, ever, ever get liquidated. You don't get liquidated. That's the whole game is built on that. So you just don't get liquidated. So if you want to leverage trade, it doesn't matter what you're doing in your life. But if you want to go leverage trading, you have to make sure that they cannot liquidate you, because when they liquidate you, you're out of the game. You don't liquidate. They don't liquidate you. And it's not about money. For sure, you need some money to trade, for sure. But if I tell you, listen, you're gonna not gonna liquidate, you have to calculate the size of amount that you're trading with. So if you have got like a portfolio of 10K, you have to make the numbers how. Okay, I'm going into 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 trades, I don't care. And I'm gonna see how am I gonna make sure that they will not liquidate me. So it depends on the size. So if you gotta higher up the sizes, the higher the sizes, so the higher the sizes, the lower your liquidation will be. So what you need to do in leverage trading, you need to make sure that they can't liquidate you. They have to do really crazy, something really mind-blowing to liquidate you. So they can't liquidate you. It's impossible to liquidate you. So it's also very sad for me to hear, like some people, I just don't get it. Like we've got the short ETF, we got 20 green P&Ls running, and then there is only one P&L in red, and then you see all the retail firms talking about one red. Let's just say this. So I've got like 20 trades running in SIG gains, SIG P&Ls. I can share them after the live stream. I can share them. They're openly shared. Everyone knows the entries. Everyone knows how they're running. So I've shared this, announced it, everything. And there's one that is in red, that is getting manipulated to hunt retailers down by market makers. Do you really think I care? I just don't care. It's red, fine. I'm happy about it. So you want to, okay. You're giving me more gains. Futuristic gains. That's how I see it. So when I see this coin like making these moves, and these moves shouldn't be here. This is just pure market manipulation. Okay, I don't care. Okay, so Mr. Market Maker, you're hunting retailers down, whatever it is that you're doing, whatever. Okay, so you chose to push this even more up. Okay, no problem. What will I do? This move up, I fill it up again. More. Okay, you want to push it up even more? Okay, so no problem. I'll buy in another punch. Okay, you want to push this up over here? No problem. I will add another one. And if you want to do like this, I'm gonna buy another short. What you want to do? What you gonna do, Mr. Market Maker? How do you want to catch me? Am I in a loss over here? I don't care. You know why? Because it should only do like this move down. Over here, I'm already at break even, and everything below it is ching ching. What do you want to do, Mr. Market Maker? You want to make another move up? Just do it. I will add to my short. What you gonna do? What do you want to do, Mr. Market Maker? You can't keep this up. You could keep this up maybe for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. But at some point, you need to, because you guys are even more greedy than retailers. VCs, market makers, wheels, they're more greedy than retailers. At some point, they are afraid that someone else will dump it down, so they will start dumping it down. And when they dump it down, that's where Mr. Wilker is waiting for you. No problem. Dump it down, boom, boom, 1,000% green P&L. You can't catch me. You just can't catch me. You know why? Because I broke the system. I know how you guys operate. I know what you guys are doing. I know that you're not going to the moon because you are too greedy for that. You are not gonna shake me out. You just can't. That's why they hate me. That's why they don't love me. That's why they hide me. That's why they bury me. That's why they hide my tweets. They hide my YouTube vids. They hide everything I do. They just don't. They don't. How can they fight someone that they cannot beat? How can they beat me? You know, I'm now exposing myself. I'm just exposing myself by sharing those P&Ls and showing a lot just on Twitter. This will change. I need to do this to show you guys. It's just like the team always says, even though MW, these guys have no clue who they're dealing with. These guys have no clue with, you know, it's not about me bragging. These are just facts. I'm not bragging. You know, I don't give a crap. I have nothing to sell you. I have no course to sell you. I have no indicator to sell you. I have no paid program to join me or whatever. I have nothing. So I have nothing to sell you. Why would I lie to you? These guys can't beat me. They just can't beat me. It's impossible for you to beat me. I created a system where you can't beat me, but you have to be educated. You have to know the hows and the whys and especially very, very important, you need to know the whens, when to strike, when to add, when to go out, when to decrease, when to increase. You have to understand this game. While I'm playing with these market makers and I'm playing with these dangerous people, I know how to play them. I've studied these guys for years, like 17, 18 hours a day. I know them. I don't give a damn. I just don't care. Because I know what I'm doing. I know that they will never, ever. Well, if this thing would make 100x for me, okay. That's when they beat me. But they can't. They can't make a 100x from this one. You know, let me give you guys another example. For suppose that I'm trading and there is some altcoin that has got a market cap of 1 million, or 2 million, or 4 million. That's another game I'm gonna play then. I cannot play this game with that amount because I know that they could destroy me. I would never, ever take a short on an altcoin that has got like 500k, 1 million, 2 million market caps. I wouldn't even touch it. You know why? Because I know that they could destroy me. They can liquidate me. So if I know that they can liquidate me, I would never, ever take that trade. Because it's all about protecting capital and focusing on how to not lose a trade. If you're going to trade a 20x or 50x on an altcoin that could make a 10x or a 20x or a 30x based on the volume and based on the low market cap, they could destroy you. And you have to understand now, guys, I told you this is going to be a sick live stream. You need to listen. You will never, ever find this alpha anywhere. Even if you would pay $1,000 an hour, you will not find this alpha. Listen. Nobody will tell you this. Or maybe you want to go watch. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna troll. So listen, guys. So if a price is over here are the candles, and there's a market cap of, let's just say 2 mil. 2 mil. Okay? There's 2 mil over here, and this price was from over here, and it dumped down. And then you got some retailer, oh my God, this thing dumped down so fast. Why not? Let's, oh my God, it's heading into some, let's short it. And over here, this is, for example, let's just say 20 million market cap over here. This is 20 million market cap. This is 20 mil. So this is a 10x. So this move would be a 10x. Guys, this is nothing. Market makers can do this in an eye blink. So if you're gonna short over here, they're gonna destroy you. So you should never, ever, ever take that trade. Don't take this trade. This is not your trade. Don't short it. It doesn't matter. Bad news, whatever. Uncle Ran is saying that you should sell it, whatever it is over there. So you never, ever, ever take this trade. Don't touch it. There are like a million trades out there. Why would you go into a trade that might wreck you? Just don't do it. So what? Now, listen, now comes something very important. Listen to what I'm going to say now. Listen, I want you now to listen, focus. So it's the same because this is something that retailers don't seem to want to understand. It's the same story if you want to long it. Because if, let me show you. If this thing was over here and it made a 10x, just listen now. It made a 10x. And then over here, this is exactly how this is reality how it happens. So this thing made a 10x, all the influencers, VCs, they filled up over here. So this is 10x. And then over here, you'll get, oh my God, this coin is going to the moon. This coin has got to do 30x, 100x. This coin will make you rich. You see the YouTube, the titles, you see the tweets, you see whatever out there. This coin is going to the moon. It's going to do great. This is how they feed you the sentiment, the news traders, the sentiment traders. Okay, so you go to the birthday again, and then you meet Eric over there, and Eric will tell you, did you see yesterday? Our favorite crypto guru told us that this coin is going to make a 30x. It's the new future, and there is new technology, and there is this, and there is that, whatever. You guys all feel me because you've been in crypto, you understand it. So, okay. So what we're going to do over here is where the longs start opening. This is where they start opening longs. And now you need to understand this. You should never, ever, ever take a long where they can liquidate you. You just don't do it. Because if this thing dumps down, this is the same 10x. You see that 10x that I was talking about over here? This 10x, if you would short it from the bottom to the top, this is a 10x. They can liquidate even M will killer. They can liquidate me over here. But over here, it's the same. Because this is also a 10x, but then minus 10x. So from here to here, if you go long it, you also get liquidated. So what is the rule that I'm explaining you now? Don't long when coins made in a short period of time at 10x. Never, ever, ever long over here because they can liquidate you. Or when coins are at bottom formation, never, ever, ever short them because they will liquidate you. So the rule number one is never, ever, ever get liquidated. That's the rule. If you cannot get liquidated, it's you have to see it like this. So I'm a big guy and you're just a small, weak guy. And, I can beat you to whatever, but you just don't die. It's just, you're genetically made, you cannot die. This is exactly how it works in leverage trading in the real world. So we are fighting Goliath. We're fighting the big monster. But there is something, we have made something, we're like Wolverine. We just don't die. We don't die. So this monster, these VCs, market maker, wheels, influencers, favorite crypto gurus, whatever, they can beat us to crap. They can beat us up, beat, but we just don't die. And at some point, these monsters, they get tired, they get exhausted. So they cannot beat us anymore. But we don't die. And when they can't beat us anymore, we come to life. And we get stronger and stronger and stronger. That's it. It's the same what I'm explaining you now. Just don't get liquidated. That's all. Just don't get liquidated. And how to not get liquidated? Yeah, have to watch the live trading course Weex 1, 2, 3, and tomorrow number 4. If you want access to this leverage trading course Weex, you have to be trading on Blofin, Weex, or Bitunix. Just choose the one that you like. I don't give a crap. At least if one of those 3. Non-KYC exchanges, whatever. In the description are the links. Just trade over there. And by the way, guys, I can do vids like what is his name again? The doctor. What was his name again? I watched yesterday. You know, this guy is so amusing to me. I'm gonna be honest with you. This guy is so amusing. I really love the guy. This doctor, whatever. This I think he's an Indian or he's an Asian guy, and I really love the guy. So you know, I was watching yesterday a video again. So he has got this screen, and he can with his fingers. I don't know, it's a touch screen or whatever, and he likes to trade 30 minutes. Let me show you guys. 30 minutes. He loves these 30 minutes candles. Okay, guys. Okay, let's do like doctor yesterday. Doctor. Okay. So, what do we got? We've got this box, and we've got this is the high, and then he has something like he calculates the moves like, and then you got this 3%. It's like 70 pips, and when you got 70 pips, we gotta get like 80 pips to this way. But if this way will give you 80 pips, the probability of this pips will give you the pips to this pips. But this pips, based on this candle is the continuation to make yourself another 30 pips. So if you want the pips, you need the pips. And the pips, you have to use the 30 minute, and these candles will tell you exactly how many pips you're gonna get pips. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I've got like 150k followers. I'm gonna teach you in another vids how many pips we gotta make, because based on these candles, you can make pips. Just tell me, guys, you all watching these candles. These are 30 minutes candles. Is there something you can understand out of these candles? Come on, guys. Everyone that is telling you that you can read something on these candles, he's just fooling you. He can make a nice story of it, for sure. He can make a nice story from this. But come on, guys, come on, this. You know, oh my God, you know, I really want to retire. I really want to retire. But the more pips I'm seeing, you got to do this pips, and then you gotta create it on a screen, and pips, pips, pips. And then I really would love to debate this guy on some YouTube collaboration or something. Then explain me this pips, how many pips you gotta make, and explain me how you read the science of the 30-minute candles. Oh my God. So pips, pips, pips. Okay, so based on the 30 minutes, by the way, guys, 30 minutes, this was a hammer candle on the 30 minutes. So this might give us some continuation over here, by the way. So if the alarm goes off, you have to be very careful, because why? If this thing goes up, you gotta make a lot of pips. You gotta make a lot of pips. Pips, 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 pips. Doctor, no, it's not Dr. Profit. Oh my God, not Dr. Profit. No, not that. I'm showing this guy on Twitter. It's an Indian guy. No, Dr. Profit. Oh, come on, bro. Oh my God, don't make me start swearing. Dr. Profit. Oh my God. So listen. Okay, so what are we gonna do? Yes, it's time for the retailers. So let me go to my other screen where I can see all the coins, because I'm not gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you guys like 2-3 coins, and then I'm gonna do the coins of the retail fam. So today it's all about you guys. So I'm gonna talk about your coins. What is it? What are they? Where are you? I think this is the one. No. Where are they? Let me look it up, guys. Where are your altcoins? Where are your altcoins? Where are your altcoins? What altcoins are you? Oh my God, why am I not finding this? Oh, over here. This is the one. Okay. Okay. Go live now. Yes. Okay. So let me first of all start with some coins that we have been talking about. So let me first of all talk about this one. Do you remember, guys? Do you remember the time? 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 I told you this thing, I'm not interested. I'm just not. Look at this candle, guys. Oh my God. This is a nasty daily candle, guys. This is looking super bearish. Oh my God, this candle. So Mr. Doctor, whatever, what is his name again? I forgot his name. But Mr. the 30-minute candle pips. if you want to read candles, if you really are interested in reading candles, so without the BS, if you want to be straightforward with your followers or whatever, you want to educate people about candles, listen. This is how you read candles. See this one over here? See this one? See this candle, Mr. Doctor, whatever you are. See this candle over here? This one. Oh my God. Go away. This candle, this candle, this candle, this one. Do you see this candle? That's a pretty nasty bearish candle, guys. This one. See this? This is really nasty. What did we see after it? Boom, 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 down. This is, yeah. I'm just saying. Listen. Listen, please. Alpiman, listen. See this candle? 35% dump after it. So forget about MW telling you that he's not, he wants virtuals to come down like another 60-70%. Forget about MW. MW is crazy. We're gonna do like, we are the Einsteins. We're gonna focus on TA. We are the doctor, whatever. So, Mr. Doctor, this is a bearish, this is super bearish. And then now, what do we get? Oh my God, look at this one. We got another one. So if you want to calculate, you want to read, it's not my thing, by the way, guys. I know, I know this crap, all of this crap, candles, bullets, hammers, this, patterns, but, I know how it works. I know how it works. But that's not my style. Because I cannot beat the best traders in the world by doing TA and acting based on this. I can't. They might work out. They work out sometimes, like now it worked out after that candle. I understand it. I know how to read them. I know how to trade them. I know everything. But this is just like, you're not going to play with the top players if you're going to do it based on these candles. You just don't. Because you get it right sometimes and you get it wrong sometimes. It's just like TA works until it doesn't. It's just how it works. So this candle is also super bearish. So could this give us the next 35%? Oh my God, this is 66%. Oh my God. So virtuals. I told you, I'm interested in virtuals, just not now. Just not now. I'm interested in virtuals, but not now. But I already told you that. So virtuals. I want to show you guys another one. Oh my God, I was just eyeing it. People that always looking for when you get things. No, not this one. Wait a minute. They're always searching when I understand it, retail fam or whatever. You guys are bored by me being right every time. So what do? You start looking for when I'm wrong. I love that. Challenge me. I love it. It's boring now. MW is right. Yeah, he's right again. MW is always right. Who gives a crap? MW is right. Yeah, he was right again. Yes, he was unfortunately right again. And you guys want to challenge me. Look at this, guys. Alpiman! How many vids? The past 2-3 vids. The past 2-3 vids. What did I tell you, Alpiman? Alpiman, tell me what did I tell you? What did I tell you over here, Alpiman? I've spent like 3 vids now explaining you, Mr. Alpiman. You should have shown me that 50k P&L on a short and wound. You should have shown me that by now. I told you, Mr. Alpiman, over here. I told you, Mr. Alpiman, over here. It's all recorded, by the way, for the haters, for the cockroaches, I know you guys are just dead from inside and black from me. I know you guys are so hateful. A lot of hate in your lives. And why? Because you have been listening to your favorite crypto guru and you're wrecked now. I understand it. I understand the feeling. You can't help yourself. You have to be salty. You have to be, I understand it. When you got a guy like me but everything he says, he gets it almost right. And you're getting wrecked. So Alpiman, I told you in the past 3 streams, since our big buddy Uncle Ran told you that I'm telling you to buy now. Okay, you want to buy now, you buy. Okay, look at this. Alpiman. Okay, Alpiman, I told you over here. So you missed this one, Alpiman. You missed this one, Alpiman. No problem. Okay, I will forgive you. You missed this one also, Mr. Alpiman. But did you also miss this one, Mr. Alpiman? I told you. I spent like 3 vids about this showing. Okay. Forget about this one, Alpiman. You missed that one also. Don't tell me, Mr. Alpiman, because I told you this live. I told you, Mr. Alpiman, focus. Look, we're gonna retest again. Opportunity for you, Mr. Alpiman. Did you do it, Mr. Alpiman? You didn't. Just tell me you didn't. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is a 30% Alpiman. 30%, 35x, 1000% P&L. Those are a lot of euros, Mr. Alpiman. Those are a lot of euros. I was expecting a DM from you. MW, it's time to do some charity again. Boom, boom. I killed it again. But Alpiman is just not listening. I don't know what's going on with Alpiman. Alpiman is just not listening. Look at this, guys. When did my buddy Ran tell you now's the time to buy because it's buying? I told you that Sol was at 20 cents. I told you this. And I told you in that same stream, by the way, 2-3 days ago. I told you, listen, this guy is making these posts. And these guys could just, based on that post, they buy in, they could just lose 50% of their money. I said it. You know, I said it literally. This is what I said. I said, Ren, I love you, bro. I respect the guy, but don't do that. Be very careful. When you say, I bought Solana then, these guys, if they listen to you because you're giving them, maybe this price could go up again and they're going to make money. That's no problem. It's just a hodl position, no problem. But they could have bought in 50% lower. So if they went all in on this room on 2.3 or 2. Whatever, they are already like 30-40% down. Just imagine someone that has got like his whole portfolio is 10K and he bought 10K because he believes in you. You're a big guy in the crypto space, if not the biggest. And then he buys in. Because you know what's dangerous about this? We all know what's going on with Rune. You understand also? You also understand that if the big bag hodlers of Rune, if they're seeing that, oh my God, this is not good, what's going on? If they're planning to dump Rune, they need buyers. They cannot dump Rune if there are no buyers. So they need buyers. So when you say this is a chance of your lifetime, you basically, what you did is you created buyers. You created liquidity to the big bag holders that wanted to dump their bags. Do you know how dangerous this is? That's why I'm telling you, please be very careful. If you're hearing this or whatever, whoever is watching from your team and he's going to tell you this, please, the one that is listening, give him this message. Be very careful. This is super dangerous what you do. And a lot of people get wrecked. And I'm just a small guy that is trying to protect retailers from this. And I really hope and wish that some of your people, because I know that a lot of banter people also watch my live streams, I hope that you listened. Because I know that Mr. Poops or Mr. Lines did not tell you this. Whatever, so I really hope that you guys listen to what I told you. Listen, be very careful. You could get dumped on very hard after it, and it's already 30-40%. So I really feel for those people, and I'm very happy for Alpiman if he took this short. Oh, by the way, Alpiman, you could have taken this one also. So look at this one. This was also one. Do you see this? Okay, you missed this one, Mr. Alpiman. Did you also miss this one? Come on, Alpiman. Alpiman, I want to see those P&Ls. I don't care. DM me your P&Ls and I will show them boom boom on Twitter. I'll make an Alpiman show of it. Alpiman's gonna be the most famous retailer in the world, I think. I will make you famous with Alpiman. I will make you famous, Alpiman. But you need to listen. When you're listening, I can show this P&Ls. It's gonna be a long stream, by the way, guys. If you don't have the time, just leave the stream. I don't give a F. So, let's see what are we gonna do. Oh my God, I'm seeing so much coins over here. Okay, let's just GOAT. Let's go to GOAT. So the first one from the retail fab. GOAT is one of my coins, so I'm interested also in GOAT. I don't know why am I actually interested in GOAT? Travel11, are you in the chat? If you're in the chat, let me know why am I interested in GOAT? Why? Is there a reason for it? Is there a fundamental reason why I would be interested in GOAT, Travel11? Tell me, Mr. Travel11, why am I interested in GOAT? Oh my God. You know, I was talking to a buddy of mine yesterday. He's invested very heavy in crypto, millions and millions and millions. He's, by the way, the same as LP Man. He doesn't listen to me. So, but either way, he's my friend, but he doesn't listen to me. You know why he doesn't listen to me? It's very simple. He wants to go against me in everything in life, and that's why he is what he is. If you're watching the show, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. Listen. He's a hodler. He's a hodler. He likes to hodl. Okay, if you want to hodl ETH, hodl Bitcoin. Don't hodl crappy coins, bro. Be very careful. So, either way, so GOAT. Oh my God, GOAT. You know, for the one that is asking, who is asking for GOAT? Let me see. It's El Floriano. You're asking about GOAT. GOAT, I already told you I'm looking for this bottom over here. And let me tell you this. When we reach this bottom, I have to know how the financial markets look because I might not buy in. There are some things are going on, and I'm analyzing the markets for the coming weeks. And let's just say I have no confirmation on my analysis yet, but I might cancel some of my buy orders. So normally this should be a buy order, but you know, I'm gonna update you on Twitter. So that's about GOAT. What do we got? Ondo. Oh my God, these are a lot. Ondo. Okay, let me take another one. Okay, so oh my God, we got our creator, Lady Trading Countess of Leverage Lands. Oh my God. Why so many words, Karen? Why so many words? So she wants to know about SWFTC. Okay. So she wants to know about this. I really have no crap. Swift coin? Is this? I really have no clue what this is. Oh my God. Oh, Swift coin. You know, I think I traded this. No, I don't know. I don't remember anymore. What is this Swift coin? There was another Swift. Oh my God. Let's see. Swift coin. What is going on with this Swift coin? Let me see what Swift coin. Swift coin. What is this? Oh my gosh. 407 million volume. Oh my God. Okay. This is a lot. Is this coin available on Weex, Blofin, Bitunix? Let me know in the chat. This is one of those that I might add to the short ETF. Community sentiment is 90% bullish, by the way. Well, that's great. Oh my God. This is Karen, just to give you an idea, this is one of those coins for the chase trading. This is one of those coins that I would definitely short the crap out. So, okay, let me go to the next one. Oh my God. So, what do we got? We got Jeff Blaze. Okay, you got 3. Mavia. Let's do Mavia. You guys are talking about Mavia, USDT. Mavia. Is this a gaming coin or am I wrong? Is this a gaming coin? This should be. Oh, look at this. Oh, lovely. Is this a gaming coin? Please don't tell me it's a gaming coin, bro. Please tell me it's not the gaming coin. I think it's. Wasn't it this the Binance, something Binance related Heroes of my. Yeah, oh my God. Please don't tell me. Please, why? Guys, I want. Oh my God. I really, you know, I really pray to God that JF Blaze, that you're not invested in this. Please, I really hope that you're not invested in this coin. I hope that you're not invested in this coin. You know, I've said it a lot of times in my live streams. Guys, stay away from gaming coins. Just stay away from everything gaming related. I understand it. You all love Alex Becker, you're watching Elio, and you think that those two are the new future. They crapped a lot of people in NFT while I was attacking them live and showed them that NFTs is a millionaires club and it will all go to zero and everyone should short the crap out of it, just like we did on Ape and we did on a lot of things, and we shorted it to zero, all those coins. And I've been, you know, a lot of people, they forget about this. I get it. A lot of people, they don't remember this, but it's all on Twitter. I never, ever remove a tweet. If you would go in my Twitter feed and you would go like 2 years back, you'll see exactly how I was daily sharing posts about, guys, don't buy anything NFT related. Don't buy anything gaming related. I had discussions with this Elio, this Alex Becker. Guys, stop it. These guys will take you. They will kill you. They will kill your portfolios. What do you think, MW? Who do you think you are? Who do you think you are? Yes, who do you think you are? You have 3K followers. Yes, Alex Becker has got 1 million followers. You think you can beat that guy? Okay, well, here you are. Oh, yeah. This is when MW was shouting to you, sell the crap out of it. And Alex Beck was telling, oh my God, it's going to the moon. I'm not telling about this coin, by the way, but a lot of gaming coins or whatever. So, listen, even if this thing would dump another 100%, I'm not interested in buying this crap. It's just that simple. This is how death look like. This is just a dead project, in my opinion. It's just my opinion. I'm no fundamental expert. Do your own research. But based on what I see, if you want to see even over here, I'm not interested in this crap. And I think that most of the altcoins, gaming altcoins, will die. They will just die. So if you got any hope, I hope that you get it right and I get it wrong. But for me, gaming, NFT, everything NFT, gaming related is dead. That's my opinion. That's how I think about it. Yeah, right. For the ones that are on this live stream, yes, you're probably new. You think, who is this? Who is this crazy guy? Who is this? Yes, I'm the one telling you what I think. It's my opinion. It's my live stream, and I just say whatever I want. So I say, so yes, I'm not giving you dreams. I'm not selling you going to the moon on these coins. So skip to another live stream. Go to another one. Oh, go to the moon, you're gonna get rich. Yes, go there. Go there. I'm here only for the ones that care something about their money and to protect their money, to make money like pros. So just flip it to another stream, please. So Mavia, no, really not interested. Well, let's go. What do I got? What do I got? Let me see what I got. What do I got over here? Okay, so Bob is interested in Pippin. Let's do Pippin. Pippin. We already talked about Pippin, by the way. So let me see, what chart are we gonna take? Pippin on Bybit, why not? Let's do Pippin. Pippin is la 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 la. Wat heb je lied toen gedaan? La 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 la. For the Dutch people on the stream that probably know this Smurfen lied. So Pippin. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm not even gonna say something about Pippin. No. Sorry, bro. Sorry. I'm not gonna talk about Pippin. Come on, bro. Come on, guys. Come on. Be a man. Be a man. Just be a man. Larson, VRA. Why VRA? Come on, bro. VRA. Why VRA? VRA. Let's see how VRA is doing. Veracity. Is it still alive? What is Veracity doing? You see, this chart is over here for months now. Over here, this was this chart. So, boom, and you see the box is holding. So, for the ones in history that watched my live stream, it took this long. Congrats, because you made a lot of money over here. Yeah, 2.5x. It's back in the box, so yeah. You know, guys, you have to keep in mind that I'm bearish. So even if it's in the box, I'm not so interested in it because I'm bearish. The coming weeks, I'm bearish. Yes, I know. Everyone else is bullish. I don't care. I only focus on what my mind tells me. So if the rest of the world is telling you that we're bullish and we're going to the moon, congrats to them. I'm bearish. That's just it. I will react on every movement I see on daily basis. So I do my daily trading. I make my money and get the freak out. Make my money, get the freak out. Make my money, get the freak out. But I'm not interested in coins that are at these levels now, while we're topping out on about everything, that are already in bottom formations. I'm not interested. I'm just not interested. Because this will tell me that this thing will probably at some point just dump down more. That's just how I see it. Because if Bitcoin is at between 100 and 110k levels and velocity is at the bottom, for me it's bye-bye velocity. That's just how I see it. I'm not saying that this thing can't make another 2x or 3x or 4x, whatever. Everything is possible. If someone with a lot of money just puts in some money, it could go up for sure. But I'm not interested. I really am not interested, guys. I'm not interested in this coin. So let me do the last one, and then we're gonna stop it, because I think most of you guys already had enough for me for today. I know it sucks to listen to MW. It really sucks. I know. I would. Okay, let me do one funny one that we like. Let's do Bobcat. Why not Bobcat? We're gonna do Bobcat and Altcoin, by the way, because those are the two. Those are the big cash cows. Bobcat is the previous one, and Bobcat. Let's start with Bobcat. Start with Bobcat. Oh my God, Bobcat! Oh my God, what are you doing, Bobcat? Oh my God, what are you doing, Bobcat? Oh my God! Oh my God! Forget about this. Forget about this. Oh my God, Bobcat is really testing. Oh my God, Bobcat. Oh my God, Bobcat. I think there is still, I think the team still has somewhere, they still have a trade running from here, by the way, guys. So this entry, by the way, you could all have this P&L running, because I shared this short live on a Sunday. I remember it. This was on a Sunday. You see here, it was on a Sunday. I know it was a Sunday. I gave the call over here for Bobcat to short it over here. Oh my God. It's incredible. So I gave the call exactly live over here on Twitter. Listen, guys, short the crap out of Bobcat. So for the ones that truly believe in me and they have iron balls like Alpiman has, if you got those iron balls, it dumped with 87%. You know, if someone creative would just go through the past months and would just make like a 10-minute vid about me, or also that the trades that I share on my live streams and on Twitter, if someone would spend just 10 minutes and just show you guys bang, bang, bang the predictions that I made, I think they will invite me at CNN or something, because that's how crazy it is. And there's really nobody I know that makes these predictions, and also has got the balls to do them live. So Bobcat is in buying zones. So it's now all about, let me show you what we're gonna do now. So my macro and bearish, let's first of all start with that one. But let me tell you this. This is syndicate coins. This is a syndicate coin, so this changes everything. So syndicate doesn't care about bear markets, doesn't care about US 500. They don't care. They don't care about Bitcoin also. So how do we act? Would you just blindly buy in over here and then markets crash and you're gonna lose a lot of money? No, that's not what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do is this. This Bobcat, you have to use the indie. Use the indie on the 15 minutes, especially the 15 minutes. You trade it on the 15 minutes, you're gonna catch it big. Listen, Alpiman. You have to trade it on the 50 minutes, and when you trade it big. Use the 1 hour, use the 4 hour for resistance levels. That's the only thing gonna take, because this is not the same like Mavi or whatever coin. This is syndicate coin. This is syndicate. This is what syndicate has been doing for a long time. And yes, I call the exact top over here. Maybe the syndicates are my friends, and I'm trying to help you guys, the ones that want to listen to me, instead of all those other that are getting super wrecked. So I'm just saying, 50 minute indie, 50 minute indie. Check it, trade it. Maybe you're gonna make life-changing money. So then I want to go to Altcoin, and then we're gonna close it out. Let me see. Okay. Yes. Who is that crazy guy that gave the call over here? Live on a live stream, live on Twitter. Yes, who was it? I know, guys. I know it's sick when I keep repeating myself. Yeah. Oh, you gave the call. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, you gave the call. No, I did give the call. I know. You guys are used to all these scammers on YouTube, used to all these scammers on telling you, I gave you this, I gave you that, and he gave you like 1,000 predictions, and he's just showing you the ones that he nailed. That's reality. And I know it's pretty sick when you're following MW, because the ones that are watching my live streams, the ones that are following me on Twitter, they can all confirm this. You can go through I didn't make any other predictions. Look at this. Altcoin. So Altcoin, first of all, guys, this one is even more important than the syndicate coin. It's also syndicate coin, I think, but keep an eye on this Altcoin. Also, same story, just like Popcat. But you know, Popcat is already pretty bottoming out. So this one is a bit more risky for long in this box over here, but you can trade it on a 50-minute. Just make money. Just make money. Just make money. Close it in, boom, buy. These coins make you a lot of money. These coins are very volatile. These coins, they've got a lot of buy pressure going on. So you have to keep an eye. 50 minutes, boom, boom, just go Altcoin. So I told you already, look at this. Look at this. By the way, for the ones that are interested, this coin is in my MW short ETF. Let me check on my screen. How many percent? What was the entry? Because this was not the entry when I gave the call, by the way, because the short ETF came after it. But just to show you guys who you're dealing with, because you have to have balls to short Altcoin at these levels. Look at this. Look at this. It's now running. Listen what I'm saying. Listen. This is just on a 25x. Normally the team trades on 35. This is just 25x. It's running in a 1,500%. And I gave you the entry. So when the trade was opened, I told you it's gonna get opened now, the short ETF. So nothing to hide. It was live. I'm gonna open now a short on Altcoin. Okay. This was entry. What is the entry? This was the entry. This was the entry. Oh, wait. This was the entry. Here. This was the one. So this is the one that I gave live, and this one was when I gave the call. So this was basically, yeah, this was, it was over here, I think. So this was the call that I gave for the short ETF when I shared the short ETF over here. So this thing was already down. You have to see it like this, guys. You have to see it like this. Over here, this one. So over here, I gave the call, open up short ETF Altcoin. So this is now down, what is it? Now down 60%. 1,500% on a 25x. Boom, boom. I love you all, guys. Thanks all for watching. I know. I can be a bit annoying. But I have to do this. You know why I have to do this? It's the only way how, not you guys, but new viewers listen. And if they don't want to listen, F them. F them. They will be our exit liquidity. Just let them be. Just let them, whatever, do whatever it is they want. But I know I can be a bit annoying. But it's just, you know, if I'm lying, if I'm saying something that's not true, I'm hiding something, just expose me on Twitter or on YouTube or whatever. Tell them, okay, MW, he's just, but based on facts, show me. It was just like this guy today. MW, I want to show you something. You were wrong about DeXe. Bro, what are you talking about? DeXe is going to be one of the biggest peanuts I'm going to make. You just have to be patient. If you are a trader that goes into a trade, and if the trade moves by 5 or 6 or 7 or 10%, and you're liquidated or you're gone or you're stop hunted, whatever, that talk about yourself. Bro, I'm a professional trader. If I get an entry and the price goes against me for 5 or 10%, I'm gonna add. You know why? Because I don't lose. So watch Trading Course Vid 4.0 tomorrow. I'm gonna explain you exactly how I don't lose. I don't lose. Because if people follow me and start opening big shorts and market makers get their alarms going off and they start hunting retailers down, yeah, for sure the price might move up. But I don't care. I don't care. I know who I'm dealing with. I know what's going on. I know what's going on. So, I know it's a bit annoying, guys. I really love you all. Have a nice one. Thanks for watching. And be prepared. Be prepared, because I think we'll get some more dumpy while we're doing a little bit of bouncing. But I think we're going to be big, I think that also DeXe, keep an eye on DeXe. I'm very interested in DeXe. I want to see how these market makers, because I think that there are really a lot of retailers, greedy retailers that don't know how to trade, that are going into DeXe short, and they don't know how to trade. There was even one guy, he told me, listen, MW, I took a small loss because my liquidation level was almost reaching. I thought, what? Didn't you watch my trading course vids? He told me, actually I did, but you know, it was a bit of this and that. No. You have to really be trading. You have to be trading based on, as I teach you. If you don't do that, leverage trading is risky. They will hunt you down. They will liquidate you. You're going to lose a lot of money. Just don't do it. Don't. If you're not going to do it the right way, just don't do it at all. I love you guys. Thanks all for watching. If you want to join the free private, if you want to watch the trading course vid 4.0, gotta be a big one. DeXe Trading, Trade on Blofin, Weex, or Bitunix. DM me your UID. Active trade, and you'll get access and you can watch it. And you're gonna get the MW indicator also. Have a nice one. I love you all. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.